Hi friends, welcome to my channel Happy Life 1111. Today I'm going to draw a beautiful girl, traditional girl drawing. Let's start with the eyebrows. Okay, let us make this eyebrow a little thicker. Erase the earlier one and make it a little bit thicker. Okay, now come with the detail drawing of the eye. So the eye plays a big role in the drawing as it reflects the emotional touch of the drawing. It reflects the emotional look of the drawing. And now let us draw the eyelashes. Beautiful eyelashes coming the way. Just darken it. Okay. So quickly we'll just finish both the eyelashes. And we'll just shade the eyebrows. And then with upward stroke, just cover the eyebrows. And then just give the finishing touch by shading it a little more darker. Yeah. So we come to the next eyebrow. And now we start from the tail of the eyebrow towards the end, upward stroke. So we are shading it to give a natural look. So we'll just start shading the eyelashes, a light stroke. So it would give the drawing a beautiful look. Eye says it all. Just shade, and then I'm using a HB pencil, 4B pencil, sorry. 4B pencil. Sorry if my voice is not audible, not keeping well. I'll just try to speak a bit louder. Yeah, you're done with the eyelashes. Yeah. And now we're going to do the nose job. Draw the nose, shade it. So when you shade it, you get a natural look. But I don't know how the finishing of the drawing will come, as I'm just drawing it. We'll see the final output. Okay, sometimes we'll have to erase also when we do a mistake. Nobody's perfect, and no drawing is perfect. So we learn from our mistakes, right, friends? So we get connected to the real life where nobody is perfect, and we learn from our mistakes. Life's like that. It teaches you lessons in every phase of your life. So let us give a shading to the nostrils. Yeah, and just color it softly. Shade it softly. So you get the nose, natural look. Shade the nose, you get the natural look. Okay. Just shading it. So I'll just bring it to close up so you can see it gets a natural look. So now we're going to draw the lip. So I'm using a 10B, 9B pencil, but it's half sharpened and it's become small. Okay. Now we go to the lip part. Friends, drawing have taught me how to be patient. It removes away our laziness and teaches us how to be patient in life as well. And it's really relaxing. You get a calming effect. Now just shade the lips and give the outline a shape. Just shade it properly, not completely. Leave it blank here on this part, so it would look natural. With the help of a HB pencil, I'm just trying to shade it so it would look natural. Okay. you need to just erase this part so it will look naturally beautiful. Now I'm going to draw the face part. Erase the extras and give it a good shape. Yeah. Now towards the head part. And we're going to draw the parting, hair parting. So just light shading the hair part. Now we do the shading. Though it looks a little bit not so perfect hair, but when you do the shading, it will look better. You do the head part shading. Start the shading of the eye. So to shade the eye. Okay, now let us come to the ears part, earring part. This is a beautiful earring of a So coming to the neck part, we'll address detailing with small polka dots. And we'll draw a pendant, a rough finish pendant. Remove all this rough finish. So we're done with the pendant now. Beautiful dollar. So we have already done with the drawing. Just the shading part, final touch. Friends, how does she look? Just tell me in the comments. This is the final look of the beauty drawing. She looks so elegant and beautiful in a traditional look. Thanks for watching, friends. Please like, share, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much.